Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Advocate Batoyi, what you were reading from that document has an impact on paragraphs 3, 3.1, 3, and 3.1.1 of the terms of reference. Can you confirm that?
That is correct.
You referred to a date of 10 July 2012 where an authorization certificate was applied for. We'll revert later to that. For the moment, I refer you to LO2 00376, which contains an affidavit deposed to by Advocate Anthony Mosing. It starts on page LO2 LO 00340. Are you there?
Please take us to that bundle.
Bundle LO2, Madam Chair.
LO2.
LO 00340. That's the page. That's where it starts.
340.
Yes, 340. That's Anthony Mosing's affidavit that served before the State Capture Commission. Now, go to page 376.
Yes,
Advocate
I am.
Batoyi, are you there?
I'm there.
We have to look for the bundle. Council. You are referring us to LO2.
Bundle LO2, Madam Chair.
Please give a second.
I'll do that.
Thank you, Council.
Thank you, Madam Chair. Advocate Batoyi, for completeness sake, who is Advocate Anthony Mosing?
Advocate Mosing, if my memory serves me right, held the position of a Deputy Director of Public Prosecutions.
Where was he stationed?
He would have been stationed at the time of these events at the NPA head office, at the VGM office as it is referred to. And it appears he was in charge of special projects section, and that I've gleaned from the other document. But perhaps to clarify what it appears his role was at the time regarding racketeering, and I stand to be corrected, it's my understanding is that he would have then received racketeering applications. He was in the office of the NDPP. He would have received applications from various parts from prosecutors across the country. And then he would process the documentation and prepare it for submission to the national director for her consideration, the acting NDPP at the time. That's my understanding of his role.
And at the time, the acting NDPP was Advocate Jiba.
That is correct.
As at 2012.
That is so.
Go to page LO 00376 of bundle LO2.
Mhm.
Are you there?
I am.
LO2, page LO 00376, Madam Chair. Go to paragraph 95. That is the affidavit of Mosing, Advocate Anthony Mosing. Please read paragraph 95 into the record.
So Advocate Mosing states at paragraph 95 of his affidavit, on or about 10 July 2012, I received an application for racketeering authorizations from the prosecuting team under cover of the letter from DPP South Gauteng. After considering the application, it was concluded that the application must be made by the DPP KZN, as the DPP South Gauteng had no jurisdiction. Subsequently, on paragraph 96, Counsel, should I stop there or continue?
Just read it, and then we'll go back to paragraph 95.
Sure. Subsequently, on or about, this is paragraph 96. Subsequently, on or about 15 August 2012, I received the application for racketeering authorizations from the prosecuting team under cover of the letter from DPP KZN. On or about the same time, I also received an application for centralization under cover of a letter from DPP South Gauteng.
Now, go to the same bundle, LO2, to page 297, LO00297. Therein, you will find an application for authorization.
(297).
Indeed. It's an application for authorization, Madam Chair. Yes, it's on page 00297. It's in bundle LO2. Are you there, Madam?
I am.
Thank you.
Now, this application on this page is dated 10 July 2012. Do you see that?
That is so.
If you go back to paragraph 95, which you earlier read into the record,
Yes.
Is it the same
It appears that
application that Advocate Mosing was referring to?
it appears to be the same. When in paragraph 95, he says he received an application for racketeering authorizations under cover of letter from DPP South Gauteng. And this is, that is LO 00297. The document there is a memo from Advocate Chauke to Advocate Jiba dated 10 July 2012. And the subject is application for authorization in terms of section 2.4 of the POCA Act 121 of 1998 in the matter of the state versus Boyson, Johan Vessel and others. And an application chairperson in terms of section 2.4 of the Act is a racketeering application. If I may, the body of that document states here with the following: the application for the racketeering certificate, I paraphrase phase 1.1. 1.2 is the draft indictment. 1.3 is the draft authorizations for section 21E and 21F respectively. And that would be in terms of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act, which relates to racketeering offenses. Paragraph 2 states, I have perused the documents and recommend the application. And paragraph 3 states the accused have appeared in the Regional Court Durban. Matter has been postponed to 24 April 2012 for the racketeering authorization. 18 of the accused persons are on bail. Other accused still need to be added to the charge sheet and indictment. And there's a place for signature by Advocate KMA Chauke, DPP Johannesburg. The document is unsigned.
In paragraph 1.2, it refers to the draft indictment. If you
That
go
is
to the
correct.
next page, LO2, LO00298. Explain that document there.
So this document on that page, as well as the following page, would be the documents referred to in paragraph 1.1. Well, actually, it's 1.3. It would be the draft authorizations. So if the National Director, Acting National Director, time Advocate Jiba was satisfied, she would have signed these documents, which are the draft authorizations.
Go to the next page, LO2, LO00299.
Yes, that's also a similar document for a certification by the National Director that he or she is, in this case, Advocate Jiba, is approving the authorization for racketeering charges.
Go to the next page. The following page is 300.
Before you do that, Council, L000299, is that the page you've just referred to now?